Hello students, in the continuity of previous lecture, students, we are going to discuss the other class of the phylum Vertebrata. In the last lecture, we discussed about the class Cyclostomata, in which we discussed the various features of the cyclostomes, which were somewhat similar to the fish, but they are very much also different from the next class Pisces, which are mainly of the fish. In the cyclostomes, we studied that the cyclostomes are mostly the animals with the circular mouth, and they are suctorial and they are ectoparasites. Now in this lecture, students, we are going to discuss the next class, that is Pisces, which are usually aquatic animals and are called fish. The fish belongs to the class Pisces. They are aquatic animals, right students? They exclusively live in the water, you all know, and they are fish. Their skin is covered with scales. In the cyclostomes, we discussed that the cyclostomes don't have scales, they are scaleless and they don't have the paired fins. But in the Pisces, the skin is covered with scales or plates and paired fins are present. The fins are in the pairs. They obtain oxygen dissolved in water through gills. Because they are exclusively aquatic animals, so they obtain oxygen from what? Dissolved in water, and through what? Through gills. Body is streamlined, right students? Body is streamlined and muscular tail is present for the movement. Right students, body is streamlined. It is not uniform, all of the elongated. Uniform is not there, uniformity. It is streamlined. It is thick at the center and then it has tapering ends. The body has tapering ends. The muscular tail is present for the movement. The next feature is they are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded, what is meaning of cold-blooded? Their body temperature changes with the outer temperature, right students? When the body temperature changes with the outer temperature, they adjust with the outer temperature, these animals are known as the cold-blooded animals. So the Pisces are cold-blooded animals. Again, their heart is two-chambered like the cyclostomes. Because the cyclostomes also have two-chambered heart, the Pisces also have two-chambered heart. Mode of reproduction, they lay eggs. Some have skeletons, they have skeleton. Some have skeletons made up of cartilage only. Example is shark. Some Pisces has skeleton, it is only made up of cartilage, that is shark. And in some have the skeleton made up of both bone and cartilage, such as tuna or rohu. These are the example of the fish which have the skeleton made up of both bone and cartilage. Skeleton is present, but in some Pisces the skeleton is made up of only cartilage, and in some Pisceans the skeleton is made up of both bone and the cartilage. Example can be, many fish, scoliodon, which is known as the dogfish, electric ray, which is known as the torpedo, shark, tuna, rohu. These all are the examples of the fish which belong to the class Pisces. The main feature is that they are exclusively aquatic animals, they are fish, their body is covered with scales or plates, they have the paired fins present and the muscular tail for movement is present, body is streamlined, they are cold-blooded, two-chambered heart they have got, they lay eggs, and the skeleton is present. In some case it is made up of cartilage, and in some cases it is made up of both bones and cartilage. So these are the basic features of the class Pisces, which is mainly known as the fish. Hope you must have understood all the features of this class. In the next class, we will discuss the other classes and the features of the other classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.